Hi there, this is my first video. So, today I'm sharing my journey. My path began in 2012 as a soldier in the Bangladesh Army. In 2018, I started freelancing as a part time while I'm still working full time in the Bangladesh Army. By 2020, I took a big step and left my job to focus fully on freelancing. I started my career as a data entry and lead generation expert and then moved into web development. And I started learning tools like Framer React in 2022 and dedicated myself those skills to becoming top rated freelancer top rated freelancer on Upwork and Lebanon seller on Fiverr with over $100 total earning. So follow me and learn web development from scratch uh, and join me on this journey. Thank you. Have a good day.